everyone, my name is Kelly Gallagher and we're here at IMTS 2024. We're excited to show you the manufacturing of next generation components, including the transfer case displayed here at our booth installed on the E-Rod. In the next stage, let's learn how we use NXCAM and the digital twin of the Heller machine to efficiently program the part and validate the entire process. Now let's speak to our experts.
Hi, my name is Ashish Joshi and I'm the product portfolio lead for NXCAM. And today at IMTS 2024, we are at the Siemens booth, specifically where we have the transfer casing that was machined and then assembled in the E-Rod for the electric vehicle. And this booth, actually, we have the information for how the CAM programming was done with the NXCAM using the latest set of functionalities and operations such as adaptive roughing, cavity milling, facing mid-pass, and then it was basically sent to part quality inspection. Overall, throughout the workflow, which is end-to-end workflow, the initial requirements go towards the generative design, the CAD modeling, additive manufacturing, followed up by the CAM programming, CNC machining, and then it goes to the part quality inspection, and then followed up by finally the assembly, simulation, and planning. Now the part is ready to pass on to the part quality inspection programming.